When the Porsche Cayenne debuted as a 2003 model, it faced backlash from brand purists who doubted whether an SUV could belong in Porsche's sports car lineup. However, the Cayenne quickly proved its worth, becoming one of the brand's best-selling models. Now, the Cayenne is entering a new chapter as Porsche prepares to launch its first fully electric version. Replacing traditional engines with electric power, the Cayenne EV is expected to closely resemble its gas-powered counterpart. The Cayenne EV, an all-new model for Porsche, is anticipated to debut in late 2025 as a 2026 model. Built on the premium platform electric PPE architecture, shared with the upcoming Macan EV, the Cayenne EV will feature an 800-volt electrical system. It will slot below Porsche's new flagship electric SUV, which the company confirmed last year. Performance-wise, the Cayenne EV is expected to offer a dual-motor setup delivering power outputs on par with, or exceeding, the Macan EV's 630 horsepower and 833 pounds-ft of torque. This could enable 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in under 3 seconds and a top speed of around 200 miles per hour. A battery capacity of 110 to 120 kilowatt-hours is expected to provide a range of approximately 300 miles per charge. Thanks to the 800-volt system, rapid charging should allow the battery to go from 10% to 80% in about 21 minutes. Porsche plans to continue offering the current third-generation Cayenne with internal combustion and hybrid powertrains alongside the EV, giving customers a range of options. Pricing for the 2026 Cayenne EV is projected to start at around $80,000, with high-end trims reaching up to $120,000, depending on features and configurations. Porsche's approach to electrification reflects evolving market trends, with the company maintaining production of internal combustion models due to slowing EV demand in the luxury segment. While the Cayenne EV will play a key role in Porsche's lineup, traditional powertrains will remain available for the foreseeable future.